Have you ever wondered how a privileged prince could leave everything behind to discover a path to lasting peace? A story that can gently calm your own restless mind in today's busy world? Welcome to Aria Dharma, the channel dedicated to pure Theravada teachings from the original Pali Canon, designed for beginners in the West, seeking calm and clarity in modern life through the Buddha's timeless wisdom. In this opening episode of Awakening Foundations, we embark on the inspiring story of the Buddha's life, from his privileged birth as a prince to his profound awakening, offering lessons that can softly soothe the heart and mind today. The Buddha, born as Siddhartha Gautama, around 563 BCE in Lumbini, was the son of King Suddhodana and Queen Maya, raised in the opulent palaces of Kapilavastu, where every luxury shielded him from the realities of suffering and impermanence. As a young prince, Siddhartha enjoyed a life of comfort, marrying Yasodhara and fathering a son named Rahula. Yet at age 29, his world shifted when he ventured beyond the palace walls for the first time in his protected existence. He encountered the foresights that awakened his quest: an old man symbolizing aging, a sick person representing illness, a corpse illustrating death, and an ascetic embodying the search for truth beyond worldly attachments. These visions, as recounted in the Ariyapariyesana Sutta from Majjhima Nikaya 26, revealed to Siddhartha the universal nature of dukkha, or suffering, prompting him to recognize that even royal luxury could not escape the cycle of birth, aging, sickness, and death. Deeply moved by this noble search for the end of suffering, Siddhartha left his palace life on the night of the full moon, riding his horse Kanthaka with charioteer Channa, cutting his hair and donning simple robes to begin his journey as a seeker. He first studied under Alara Kalama, mastering formless meditation states up to the sphere of nothingness, but realized this did not lead to the complete cessation of suffering, as it lacked true insight into reality. Then, with Adaka Ramaputta, he attained the sphere of neither perception nor non-perception, yet again found it insufficient for liberation, understanding that such states were temporary and not the ultimate path to peace. Turning to extreme asceticism for 6 years, Siddhartha practiced severe self-denial, fasting, until his body resembled a skeleton, but discovered that this weakened the mind and body without yielding enlightenment. Accepting milk rice offered by the village girl Sujata, he regained his strength and embraced the middle way, avoiding the extremes of indulgence and austerity, as later taught in his first sermon. Sitting under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, Siddhartha vowed not to rise until he attained full enlightenment, facing the tempter Mara, who sent illusions of desire, fear, and doubt to distract him from his resolve. The Buddha touched the earth as a witness to his virtue, overcoming Mara's assaults, and in the first watch of the night recalled countless past lives through Pabanavasana Sadhinana, seeing the cycle of rebirth. In the second watch, he gained the divine eye, Kadapapadanana, observing beings dying and being reborn according to their karma, understanding the law of actions and results that governs existence. In the third watch, he comprehended the Four Noble Truths through Asavakaya, Nana, destroying all mental defilements and achieving complete liberation from suffering at dawn, becoming the Buddha at age 35, spending 7 weeks under the Bodhi tree contemplating the Dhamma. The Buddha hesitated to teach, fearing its profundity, but upon request from Brahma Sahampati, he surveyed the world and saw beings ready to hear. Traveling to Sarnath Deer Park, he delivered his first sermon to the 5 ascetics, the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta from Samyutta Nikaya 56.11, setting the wheel of Dhamma in motion with the middle way and Four Noble Truths. For 45 years, the Buddha taught across northern India to all classes, founding the Sangha of monks and nuns, establishing monasteries like Jetavana, and spreading compassion, wisdom, and the path to end suffering. His parinibbana at age 80 in Kusinara, lying between Sao trees, left final words. All conditioned. Things are impermanent, strive on with diligence, reminding us to practice vigilantly for our own liberation. The Buddha's legacy is preserved in the Pali Canon, the Tipitaka, kept pure in the Theravada. Tradition meaning way of the elders, focusing on his original words without additions or mixtures from other schools. For us in the modern West, the Buddha's life offers hope that transformation is possible from confusion and attachment to clarity and peace, encouraging us to reflect on our own experiences of dukkha in daily stresses. By understanding his renunciation, we can see what causes our own unrest, such as clinging to material things or relationships, and begin to release gently, bringing a subtle softening to the heart without drastic changes. This story teaches patience and perseverance, as the Buddha's 6 years of search show. That insight comes from consistent effort, helping us apply small steps in busy lives to reduce anxiety and find inner tranquility. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will dive deeper into his enlightenment moment, building on this foundation to further ease the mind through pure Dhamma insights. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Ariyapariyesana Sutta, Majjhima Nikaya 26 at SuttaCentral or access to Insight free public domain, resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace, as the Buddha's life reminds us that awakening is within reach for those who seek with an open heart and steady resolve. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more. Pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. The Buddha story timeless, showing that even from privilege, one can question life deeply, leading to profound freedom that we can aspire to in our own contemporary existence. It encourages us to notice impermanence in small things, reducing fear and increasing acceptance, thus creating a lighter heart amid the demands of modern society. Remember his final words on impermanence, applying them to let go of worries, fostering compassion for ourselves and others in this shared human experience of change. This is the gentle beginning of letting the mind settle through knowledge, setting the stage for deeper explorations in upcoming episodes on Aria Dharma. See you soon, and may your day be filled with the serenity that comes from reflecting on the Buddha's noble path to enlightenment and peace. The life of the Buddha demonstrates that true calm arises from understanding reality, not from external comforts, offering practical lessons for Western beginners facing daily challenges. By contemplating his journey, we gain insight into impermanence, reducing anxiety, and promoting acceptance in our ever-changing lives. This narrative highlights the power of the middle way, balancing life's extremes to find harmony, a principle we can apply in work, relationships, and personal growth today, as the Buddha overcame doubts under the Bodhi tree. We too can cultivate resilience, turning moments of uncertainty into opportunities for inner strength and tranquility. The story reminds us that enlightenment is not distant, but a process accessible to all, starting with simple awareness of suffering and its cessation in our lives. Through the Pali Canon, these teachings remain pure and relevant, helping us navigate modern chaos with wisdom and compassion from the original source. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time, and remember, the path to peace begins with a single step of understanding, as exemplified in the Buddha's remarkable life. May you find inspiration in his story to cultivate a calmer heart, and we look forward to continuing this journey together in the next episode. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. The Buddha's renunciation teaches us to question what we cling to, allowing a soft release that eases the burden of daily stresses and fosters inner freedom. His perseverance through trials shows that patience in seeking truth leads to lasting calm, a lesson we can apply to our own challenges in the Western world. By reflecting on his awakening, we gain insight into impermanence, reducing anxiety, and promoting acceptance in our ever-changing lives. This tale encourages compassion, as the Buddha taught to all beings, helping us build kinder relationships with ourselves and others around us. The legacy of his teachings invites us to start small, with understanding, paving the way for deeper peace. In our daily experiences and routines, join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more peaceful and awakened existence. See you in the next episode, where we continue to uncover the profound wisdom from the Buddha's enlightenment moment under the Bodhi tree. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The Buddha's life story is a beacon for those seeking relief from suffering, offering practical wisdom that can gently soothe the mind in our busy contemporary world.